Tito Noli, Tita Cons.
Ang gwapo naman nun, no?
Tito Noli.
Laban.
Sabog talaga tayo. Sabog talaga, di ba? Sabog na sabog na.
Purpose and cultural affirmation. This is a celebration of identity, integrity, and representation, where we unveil a candidate who carries the spirit of Ifugao and the strength of service. Welcome, Tony, of the Mr. World Philippines Ifugao candidate. My name is Valerie Powell West, and I am the official Miss World Philippines Ifugao candidate, and I'm more than excited to be here to support our next journey. So, let this be a night that echoes across generations and across borders. Hashtag Ifugao to the world, hashtag Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. Alright, before we begin, let us offer our heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors, partners, and team. Your support makes this journey possible. Thank you, Doc Homer of Monarch Montage, Team Baguio, Francine, Briggs, Precious, and Daryl, Ma'am Corinne, our pageant mother of Henry, Ryan of Laza Usong, Shandy, Monte Carlo, Mr. World Philippines, and ALD Pageant Circle. That includes Mr. Ethan Leson, the talent handler of ALD Talent Circuit, and General Manager of Mr. World Philippines. We also have Aldrich Davao, the General Manager of Miss World Philippines organization, and of course Francis Chi, Creative Director of Miss World Philippines organization. And of course, our most valued media partners. Thank you once again for sharing our stories and supporting our dreams. They include Crown Pageantology for the Philippines, Pageant Talk, Pageant Trend, Pao Canyamo, Eventology, Titas of Pageantry, John Ray Gutierrez, Pageant Spectacles, Celebrate International, the Pageantry Platform, Tito Norman Pino, Mars France, Missology Philippines, Critical Beauty, Inquire, the Philippine Pageantry, OPMB Worldwide, and Capomelia Online. Thank you again, everyone. We love seeing your faces at all of our events. Thank you for supporting us once again. And of course, to the people of Ifugao, whose stories, traditions, and resilience inspires this unveiling. And now, get your cameras ready. All right. The moment we've been waiting for. Tonight, we officially unveil the Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. Representing the province of Ifugao, this unveiling is more than ceremonial, it is a declaration. A declaration that Ifugao stands tall, proud, and ready to be seen. Please welcome our candidate, the first Mr. World Philippines Ifugao 2025, Henry Estacio. in the so once again, that is our first ever Mr. World Philippines in Cubao, representing in the upcoming Mr. World Philippines.
Wow!
World Philippines Ifugao and newly franchised Miss World Philippines East Coast.
Wow! Thank you so much for sending stars. Salamat Angelito Solis. Please don't forget to share this live soon.
See you later, but thank you guys so much. This is our second encounter. The first one was Miss World Philippines Ifugao, and this is another journey for us for Janvey Entertainment. We're very proud that we have the first Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. This is a milestone for the province of Ifugao, sending representatives for both Mr. and Miss World. So as always, I thank, of course, Mr. Arnold Vigafria for the trust, for entrusting me that destination, and of course ALB Pageant Circle, Ethan, Francis Chi, and of course Aldrich and the entire team of Mr. and Miss World Ifugao. Your support is inevitable because this is the first time. And as you know, it is unnoticed area of the Philippines, and we want to showcase culture, pride, everything about Ifugao. As I've mentioned earlier during my other press conferences, I fell in love with Ifugao, hence I have to complete the representation for both Mr. and Miss Ifugao. So without further ado, I would like to pass the microphone to Mr. Francis Chi and to Mr. Ethan. Silang dalawa kasi wala si Sir Ethan. Thank you so much as always. Please don't forget us. Support our boy as he does his first national competition. So siya na magpapakilala sa kanya later. Siya na, introduce na yung sarili niya. But without further ado, let me welcome on stage the manager and the head of Mr. World Philippines, Mr. Ifugao.
Ayan. Hello everyone! So my name is Ethan Leison. I'm the General Manager of Mr. World Philippines Organization. And on behalf of Sir Arnold Vigafria and the entire Mr. World Organization Philippines, I would like to welcome officially the candidate of Ifugao, Henry. Ayan. So I'm looking forward for him to do his best, of course, in all the activities that he'll be facing soon. Of course, very soon po yan. So, and we are happy that Miss Jeanette acquired also the franchise for Ifugao. Thank you also for for trusting us with your candidates as well. Also to all our media friends, thank you also for coming tonight, for gracing the invite of Miss Jeanette. Ayan. Thank you so much. And may all of us enjoy this night. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Yes!
Alright, thank you so much for that message, Tita Jeanette and Mr. Ethan. Thank you so much. And at this time, we also bring up the creative director of the Miss World Philippines franchise, Mr. Francis Chi, to deliver a few more words. Mr. Francis Chi.
Hi, good evening everyone. I just want to congratulate Miss Jeanette for the franchise, for entrusting the ALD Pageant Circle and Miss World Philippines and Mr. World Philippines organization. So I just want to welcome Henry for the Mr. World Philippines family, and I hope you will enjoy your journey in the upcoming competition for Mr. World Philippines. And we can't wait also to all the pageant media na ma-excite kung ano yung mga upcoming activities namin for Mr. World Philippines. So thank you so much, Ms. Jeanette, for trusting us on behalf of Sir Arnold Villavilla. So thank you and congratulations.
And thank you so much, I can say personally as a candidate for this upcoming Miss World Philippines. We love the ALV pageant circle. The love and support is always felt. And we're so excited to fight in the name of Ifugao soon. So we hope to make you all proud. And I know with expanding our family, we just have more excitement to come. So look forward to our upcoming journey and please support us. And now, prepare your cameras again. We hear from Mr. Henry himself. Prepare those cameras and the long-awaited questions we have. You're not going to want to miss this. As a future Air Force officer, Henry envisions himself as a bridge connecting people, preserving culture, and inspiring the youth to dream beyond the skies. Through Mr. World Philippines Ifugao, he hopes to amplify his advocacy and represent his province with integrity, courage, and cultural pride. Henry now returns to share a personal message. He'll speak about his journey in public service, his commitment to discipline and representation, and his experience preparing for Mr. World Philippines. We'll then open the floor for a brief Q&A. Let this be a moment for connection, reflection, and shared inspiration. Without further ado, Mr. World Philippines Ifugao 2025, Mr. Henry Estacio.
Wow!
All right.
Wow! Perfect! Photo! Center! Center po! Here! 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 Henry here! Kolo. Sana hindi.
Alright, congratulations. Now you're a
Solo.
Henry, solo.
Solo, Henry.
Ifugao 2025, welcome to the Mr. World Philippines family.
Henry. Henry.
Henry on me.
Henry, can I? Can I have your attention? Henry, can I have you? 1, 2. Thank you. Here. Once again, let's welcome Henry, the first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao 2025. How are? Oh my G! Charot. Sige, introduce muna, be. Introduce muna. Introduce yourself.
Hello world!
Yes.
Magpodang hello taon namin. I am Henry Estacio, 23 years old, a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And recently,
I applied at the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate School to protect and serve on our nation. Ladies, gentlemen, and the members of the LGBTQIA+, once again, I am Henry Estacio, your first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao Aguillo.
First of all, walang LGBT member ba? Wala.
Wala, diba? Puro straight tayo, diba?
The first question is from the mother of Magic Queen.
Nag-echo.
Hold on, 1 second.
So, mga LGBT, behave.
Alam ko ba wala?
So, question ako.
Yes.
Okay, Henry, congratulations. I am Ash your Passiontology. You can call me Momshi Ash, Mommy Ash, or just Ash. Yes! So, can you, Henry, can you give us a short story na kung paano nagkaroon ng communication with you in the organization? Paano mo na-appoint as, of course, to represent the Ifugao at the Mr. World Philippines?
So yun, appoint talaga ako ay nakita ko muna nila ako sa Mr. and Miss Cordillera Autonomy, ni Miss Jeanette Bocobo, and pagkatapos nun, nakausap na din mo nila Ma'am Jeanette and Miss Valerie to represent the Ifugao. And naghintay pa talaga sila ng 1 to 2 months para sa yes.
And then, so 1 to 2 months na yun, what made you decide na eto na, ready na akong i-represent ang Ifugao sa Mr. World Philippines?
Actually,
So, how did we
based
sila-
talaga siya sa application ko sa Philippine
Oh.
Air Force.
Anong
That's
title?
why ngayon na tatapos ko na yung application. And yun, nag-guess ako kay Ma'am, sige Ma'am, go. Yun yung two signal ko para pumasok sa Mr. World Philippines and to represent my province.
Pumasok ka rin sa puso. Henry.
Oy!
Hi, Henry. First of all, congratulations. He is a bird. Mr. World Philippines. Okay, the last year of Mr. World Philippines from do you think you can double his output or you can duplicate this time? Sa panahon na ikaw naman nagsasabi.
For me, hindi. Hindi ko kaya maging si Kurt, pero I can be Henry Estacio.
Oh! Diba?
Yes naman, sir. Kasi ibang caliber naman si Mr. Kurt and I am Henry and hindi ko kaya pabatan yun. But I can do my best to be one. All the time. Thank you.
Can you tell us more who is Henry?
Siya lang.
I started
Yung ano,
sa
number.
municipality lang namin, which is the Lamot.
Alam ka?
Doon ako nag-discover na
Sa Tomboy.
history from Lamot to my university, Boping University, to Cordillera Administration Athletic Association, and doon na nag-start. And yun.
Is your first passion na mag-represent ka ng Ifugao? Wala ka tinalihan before.
On national, sir, yes. And on the first step.
For your mga initial preparation parang mga in preparation for the show.
Siyempre, sir, pinaka-common is the physical appearance.
Base naman.
Yun.
Hindi,
Kasi yun yung pinakailangan dito sa
Napakausap. Charot.
your face, body. Pero sa akin, I prepare myself talaga mental and spiritual. Kasi the more na mas malapit ka kay God, na-receive ka kay God ng help, mas tututuan ka niya para mas makalapit sa journey.
Ano yun? Umakit si ano?
Thank you.
Ano na siya?
Hindi naman siya nasama.
Hello po, nandiyan po
Papasalo
kasi
talaga siya.
Ah, masugod talaga.
Ay, po ba magbato ng tanong sa inyo? Mga mima. Hello po, question lang. Ano na po mga detalye sa Mr. World Philippines?
Ayan, so for the details, November 15 is our final screening for all the candidates that we will scout from all over the Philippines. So we have different screening schedules in Tarlac, Pampanga, Bulacan, Quezon Province, Laguna, and Cebu. So,
Franchise screening proper lang.
yes, screen proper, wala siyang franchise. Para since this is the first time na magkakaroon kami ng Mr. World. And then, all the activities will start formally on right after ng screening. So 16, we have different trainings like, of course, the personality development. And then we also have the Pasarela training with Mami Shandy, of course, the Mami Shandy itself. And then we also have the 2 provincial tours. And hindi ko muna reveal kung saan. But doon yung isa doon gaganapin yung not cost. And then the other one will be the solution competition. Ha? Wag muna.
Wag na muna.
Oo, wag muna. Ayun, so of course we have sports challenge. Actually yung Mr. World naman is same na same lang din ng Miss World. So we have the Beauty with a Purpose. We also have the sports challenge. We also have the head-to-head challenge. We also have the the talent competition, Dances of the World, and then what's the other one? The Gala Night and the runway competition. Yes, runway challenge. So yun. Nasagot ko ba? Finals, ang target namin will be first week ng January. Why? Because, yes, back-to-back po tayo, Miss World, Mr. World. So, yun. Why? Kasi mahirap kumuha ng schedule sa OWA nila. Ayun.
That's why.
Back-to-back po. Parang, yes, back-to-back ng araw. Saturday, I'm not sure if Saturday yung Miss World, Sunday yung Mr. World. Yeah? Pero basta back-to-back sila ng day. Yes.
May budget.
Yes, kailangan i-reserve namin ng MOA Arena ng 3 araw para sa interest ng Friday kasi malaki yung stage. So, kailangan lang ng whole day to construct the stage itself. Diba? Para nakaran tayo doon. Yes.
May budget.
May budget tayo.
May budget.
Para saan pa lang kayo nawa?
Ah!
4 a.m. to 4:30 and nag ako ng NWF and TDH depende sa schedule ko. NWF na 10K to 15K ako every morning. But in the TDH, 5K na morning and afternoon. Dito talaga pinagkakasabi ng stress. Thank you, to the something.
Ayan na.
Ito, Roy. Super active.
I'm putting in the video. Hi, Henry. My name is Franz. Let me call me Morris Franz. Question lang, kasi Miss World, nakafocus siya sa beauty with a purpose. So, mostly siya advocacy. As a Mr. World in Cubao, ano naman yung advocacy? Could you share to us your advocacy?
Kaya kung ko talaga is cultural conservation. What ngayon is nasa national budget na tayo, mas gusto ko nang i-generalize yung advocacy ko is dinagdagan ko yung cultural conservation, not protect and serve. Kasi nga, just like what I said earlier na nag-apply ako sa Philippine Air Force. Kaya dinagdag ko yung protect.
Orange and lemons, like standard na talaga, parang ready to take the crown. How about you? How ready are you to take the Mr. World Philippines crown?
So yun, preparation celebration talaga is, and to represent ko lang natin Ifugao, my province is nakaka-overwhelm talaga. Nasasabi ko sa pinalita. And yung standard natin, Miss Valerie. So, para sa akin, hindi naman sa lumaki, pero nakita ko yung culture sa Ifugao. And yun yung mas gusto ko ipakita. And siguro hindi muna ngayon, but the next day, next week or next month, may pakikita ko na may mas bago sa bago sa panlasa ng masa na hindi siya usually nakikita sa Ifugao. Pasado.
Abangan namin sa sabon na yan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Bakit kinikilig?
Ano mo? Ano guys? Special? What ano?
Baka na.
The one-sided of pageant.
Hi, Henry. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. First, congratulations in advance.
Bakit English?
Sige na. Ayun, so, yung question ko sa'yo is, first, how do you feel right now that you're being such as the first ever Mr. World of Philippines Ifugao?
Actually, I'm nervous and starving right now.
And second question, are you an introvert or extrovert person?
Ambivert.
Asay ko! Asay ko!
I'm extrovert. Anyway, well, Henry, how are you going to show to the other candidates or delegates of Mr. World Philippines being the first ever candidate of Mr. World representing Ifugao? How will you show and how do you plan to compete with the other candidates or delegates?
Of course, first glance, wala naman ako pwede kahit sa ibang candidates, but my perseverance, my talent, my knowledge, and my skills, siguro yun yung ilalaban sa national. And for me, hindi lang to about sa, hindi to about sa being competitive, but to enjoy the process ng pageant na to. And yung mga kasama dito sa Mr. World Philippines and to represent my province, Ifugao, is so much, too much sa atin. Napakalaking opportunity ito na nabigay sa akin. And yung may papakita ko talaga is kung sino ako, kung sino kami.
Alright, so last question. Talking to the Mr. World Philippines competition itself, ano yung mga gusto mong ma-experience? Like yung mga activities?
Ikaw daw gusto mo i-share.
Yung tayo nasabi nga na ma'am na I am an athlete and a volleyball player also. Gusto ko talagang maranasan sports challenge. Kasi dito ko siya natatry. So, is it a trial ba?
No, it's 4 different challenge games. Like we have basketball, swimming, badminton, and of course volleyball.
Wow! So,
Sa lahat.
siguro sa volleyball, okay na. Kaya, itatry natin sa ibang sports. Yun yung gusto kong ma-experience dito sa Mr. World Philippines. And of course, makasampo sa national stage.
Ayan. Thank you so much and best of luck. You have my blessing. Amen. For the picture. For the picture. Sorry.
Gusto mo experience.
Nasa ulo mo. And yung bagsak, sobrang sakit na. And natry ko na siya. Kasi tulad nga nung pagkapanalo ko last 2024 from Ifugao University to Gutan or Mr. Inmates Ifugao. Medyo doon na ako na tumaas yung yabang, sabihin natin. And sobrang sakit yung pagbagsak. Kaya yun talaga pinaka-natutunan ko nung sumali ako sa Mr. Miss Cordillera na always keep your feet on the ground.
Oh!
Oh, yung Yung paa mo umaangat.
Last, can you give us 3 fun facts?
I'm very extraordinary.
Wala siya eh. Kaya, no?
Very representative.
Three fun facts about me. I'm not just an athlete, but also a online gamer.
Oh! May mga hilig mong ano, gawin.
Gusto kong lumabas sa comfort zone ko, pero hindi ko nilabas.
Ito yung challenge.
Kaya, one of the third fun fact sa akin na may gusto lang ako ilabas na hindi ko nilabas sa sarili ko and hindi ko nilalabas sa page.
And good luck.
Ilalabas. Ilalabas na
Hi,
yan.
Henry, Christian from the Crown Philippines. So, Henry, what was your family's reaction?
Kapag sumasali ako, todo support naman sila sa akin. And kung sinabi ko kay mother ko, sinabi niya lang sa akin na hindi ba yung mga apekto sa application mo sa Air Force. And sabi ko, hindi naman siguro kasi patapos na. And hinihintay ko lang talaga yung final interview ko bago ako makita kung nasa finalist nga ba. Pero kung going back to the question, yes, gusto nila na sumali ako. At hindi lang, kasi more sa regionals na ako eh, hindi pa ako nakakalabas sa nationals. Okay.
Okay, tama.
And I'm second to the last.
Dalawa sa bunso. Bunso ako. Eme.
Ang siyang din ka.
So, once naglako na ba?
Teka lang.
Paano ako nag-commit na
Mars Jojo.
Second to the last.
9.
Pang-9.
Hi, Henry.
Oh, girl! Kanina lalaki ko, di mo?
My name is Carlo Gonzalez from the Passion Platform. Si Henry ba ay single? Okay. What do you think the quality or qualities an Ifugao like you?
Kasi pagiging authentic naman is hindi mo siya makikita or hindi mo siya makukuha ng sa isang gabi lang. Being authentic is from your childhood hanggang sa ngayon. And hindi siya basta-basta na ma-achieve ng kung sino-sino lang nasa sali. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Ryan.
Don't be shy.
I'm Brian from Finance Spectacle. So, kababanggit ko lang kanina na 10 kayo magkakapatid, correct? So, anong advantage or disadvantage na mabelong sa meron ng natin yung inflation ngayon? Sobrang taas na hindi na kaya support yung gano'n magkalaki pa rin sa ngayon pa naman. Alright, thank you.
Award!
Hello, everyone.
Oh my gosh! Bakit?
So, Henry, if ever you win the crown, Mr. World Philippines, so what can you offer to Miss Janet? And of course, Mr. World Philippines organization.
Famous story from Ifugao.
Famous story.
The handler and the stopper.
Siyempre, may babalik ko lang talaga sa nila is yung kung ano yung naibigay talaga nila sa akin pagkasimula ko pa lang. And yun yung respect. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng maibigay sa tao kung hindi man nila ito maibigay sa'yo. And yeah, very thankful ako na never akong, yes, napagsalitaan, pero in a good way. And yun ang kayang ibigay at ibalik sa kanila. And kung sa this world naman, kung ano yung kayang ibigay, of course, the rich culture, and yun ang kayang i-share, not just in regionals, but also in the national environment. Yeah. And also in the international, kung sakali, our rich cultural heritage in Ifugao.
Okay, so you mentioned earlier na parang 10 kayo magkapatid and then pang 9 ka. So what lesson you learned sa mga
pinaka talaga is discipline. 7 of my brother are in the AFP. Kaya talagang discipline yung pinaka natutunan ko sa kanila. Discipline and also leadership. Kapag, siyempre, pag uwi sila sa bahay, halika nga dito. Bakit hindi ito maayos? Ganun talaga sila eh. Kaya yun talaga, yung disiplina, yun talaga pinaka-natutunan ko sa sa aking mga kapatid. Thank you.
Right to Miss Janet.
The province and their people, hindi kami naka-align sa values. So, isa yan sa nakita ko by the way. Kasi Ilocano din ako. And nakita ko sa kanya yung down to earth and humble niya during the competition. Kasi iba din sa main pageantry. That was my first time to judge. So, I accepted. Para lumawak pa yung kaalaman ko sa pageantry, sa world at industriya na ginagalawan natin lahat.
Yeah.
And now, of course, with the appointment and the trust that Mr. Vigafria had given me to handle the United States, isang malaking responsibility. Sending a candidate to a pageant is not just sending someone who's beautiful or handsome. It has to be aligned with the actual organization of Mr. World or Miss World. And it has to be aligned with a set of values that the organization has. And I'm very proud that working with Miss World and Mr. World Philippines, nakita ko on how the set of values are being taught to their candidates. Nasa kandidato na lang on how they will take the set of values and apply it.
Henry here. Ano po dinidil yung pressure right now, knowing that this is your first ever national pageant and you are the first ever representative of your province to Mr. World Philippines?
Para sa akin walang pressure eh. Meron, pero hindi naman ganun ka-pressure kasi wala akong sinusundan sa Ifugao. Ako talaga pinaka-first. So, standard muna. So, ako muna yung set ng standard. So, yung next yung mga pressure.
So, na-mention mo na ikaw si set ng standard bilang ikaw ang first ever representative. So, paano mo gusto maalala ka ng iyong mga successor?
Siguro sa sa winning streak from my municipality to province to regional to national. Siguro doon nila ako mas naaalala eh.
And last question kay Miss Cory. Okay. Madam, pwede niyo naman po kung paano niyo na-discover si Henry and can you share po yung mga some things about him na hindi pa niya na-share?
Discoverer!
Good afternoon, everyone. So,
Live audiences. Live from Ifugao University.
Bigyan siya ng upuan.
So, si Henry po, student namin siya sa Ifugao State University under the College of Business and Management. So, sinanod niya sa school, like our dean and our colleagues. So, sobrang nakaka-proud kasi kahit ganito yung narating namin, niya pala, sobrang humble. And yun yung palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya. To always be humble and to always look up to God, pray always, and ayun, be teachable always. Yun lang. Thank you.
Final question ng Henry. Na-mention mo kanina na majority of your family ay nasa airport, AFP. Correct. So, ikaw bilang nag-apply ka for AFP din, usually yung mga ganong uniform personnel is tough. Kailangan lagi seryoso,
and things like that. So ikaw naman, if ever man, na-hoping na makapasok ka, paano mo binabalansin yung pagiging vulnerable mo? Like yung sa inside mo, weak, parang gano'n. Parang pinapakita mo ba minsan
Vulnerable side.
Ako talaga is ibang personality yung pinapakita ko sa pageantry at sa pag-apply sa my uniform. Kasi pag talaga dito sa pageantry, kailangan ng poise, the looks, and how you answer. But sa AFP, let's say, sa our forces, one question, one answer. Wala nang no more explanation. Saka yung personality nito talaga is hindi naman gano'n ka-hirap intindihin. Talagang dinedepende ko lang talaga sa mga kaharap ko kung ano yung ipapakita kong personality ko. Thank you.
One last question. Okay, perfect.
Dahil ba yung advocacy mo kasi you mentioned earlier na cultural preservation, diba? Kasi let's face the fact, in the Philippines, we still have the cultures of course, but meron specific things na, but for you ba, yun ba talaga yung gusto mong advocacy in the very first place? Na para mapakita mo sa mundo na this is Ifugao?
Yes, yun talaga yung pinag-gusto ko kasi in Ifugao, mas pinapreserve and pinapreserve talaga namin yung culture namin doon. And hindi talaga nawawala yan. Every occasion, like marriage, yung may mga patay, gano'n talagang itinutuloy lang namin yung aming culture. And hanggang sa kaya namin ito sa mas younger generation para magtuloy-tuloy yung culture namin sa Ifugao. And yun din yung talaga yung gusto kong ipakita, hindi lang sa regional but sa national. Kasi we all know that yung ibang culture dito sa Philippines is nawawala na. Kaya gusto talaga namin i-preserve yung culture sa Ifugao. And also to show sa every Filipino kung what is Ifugao.
Thank you. And for Miss Janet na kayo, kasi syempre this is your first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. And you also have Miss World Philippines Ifugao. Napumanag ka na ba sa Ifugao? Kasi mabalik-balik na rin tayo sa Ifugao.
Kaya nga nakausap ko ang mother ni Valerie kanina morning, wishing us luck today. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan pumunta na ako kay Governor at maghingi na ako ng adopted daughter certificate. Because though Ifugao is there, we're trying to put Ifugao in the map and promote its culture, it being a destination, a tourist attraction, and a place of warm, beautiful people. So, yes, napamahal na ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya kahit 12 hours ang biyahe, ay babayahin natin, aakyatin natin ang mga bundok sa rice terraces, susuungin natin ang lahat ng mga rivers and rice terraces ng Batan, at magbubuwis buhay tayo para sa pag-promote ng Ifugao. There's so much things to actually see at alam mo yan, in Ifugao, pero we have yet to experience a full tourism experience in Ifugao. It's really, really beautiful.
Thank you for doing this, Tita. And this wouldn't be possible without your support.
Okay,
Last question.
last one.
Overrated question.
Yes,
Guys.
prepare your cameras.
Prepare your camera.
Henry, prepare your answer. Okay, now the most awaited question.
Yes.
Why should you be the next Mr. World Philippines?
Okay, one more.
That was practice take. Okay. Why should you be the next Mr. World Philippines?
At first glance, of course, I have nothing to offer, but my being authentic, being real to myself, and being a God-fearing man is the reason for me to become the next Mr. World Philippines. And what can I offer is to my culture, not just my heritage and Ifugao, but also to show what is in the Ifugao. Thank you.
Yes! Intro. Makilala lang.
Okay, Henry, if you could do your intro, so your name, province, age, or no?
Name and province lang.
Province.
Pretend like you're already on the national stage.
Henry Estacio, your Mr. World Philippines, Ifugao, Aguio.
Okay, thank you so much for all of your questions. Henry, you stay up here. Thank you so much. I can say a little bit about my experience getting to know Henry over the past few months. He's really become like a brother during this experience under Tita Jeanette. And one thing I can say about Henry is that it really was, we're not joking, a few months waiting for him to say yes to this. So one thing you can be assured about Henry is he's not going to sign up for anything or say anything he's not putting his 100% into. He really made sure this was a journey he could do justice. And we're so excited he decided to go on this journey with us, but you can rest assured when Henry puts his mind to something, he's going to give it 100% effort. So we're so excited to see you, Henry, on that stage, representing Ifugao with me very soon. We're very excited, and please help us support our new Mr. World Philippines Ifugao in this next journey.
Yes.
All right. So, as we close this evening, let us carry forward the spirit of tonight. That representation is a responsibility. That service is a form
Don't forget
of
to share this live stream and follow
leadership.
Pageant
And
Trend for more
every
updates about
sash placed tonight is a
pageant.
promise to
Happening
honor,
now is
to uplift,
the sashing
and to
ceremony
serve.
and press conference
Thank
of
you
the
for
first
being
ever
part of
Mr.
this
World
unveiling.
Philippines
Thank you for
Ifugao.
believing in the power of identity and purpose. And thank you for standing with Ifugao. Hashtag Ifugao to the world. Hashtag Mr. World Philippines Ifugao.
Ifugao.
Thank you everyone. Have a great night.
So there you have it, guys. You have witnessed the sashing and the press conference of the first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao, Henry Estacio. Yeah, so please don't forget to support him. So joining us on Mr. World Philippines later this year or by next year.
Napapamahal ako kay Henry.
Wow! Mark yung anong kamay.
One more. To back. Center. 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 Center po. Center please.